Hey Mom,
What is it, Gemma?
can I go to the movies to watch Birds of Prey?
No,
Why not?
because that movie is rated R and you're still grounded. Now go back to your room right now.
Men. I can't believe I can't see Birds of Prey. You know what? I will sneak out of the house to see Birds of Prey.
Welcome to Plotagon Movie Theater. What movie would you like to see?
I would like a ticket to Birds of Prey.
That will be $23.23.
Here you go.
Enjoy the movie.
What would you like while you watch your movie?
I would like an extra large popcorn and an extra large Mountain Dew, please.
Okay. That will be $299.98.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks. Enjoy the movie.
Oh boy. I'm so excited. That was a good movie. Oh crap.
Let's go home right now. Gemma, I can't believe you went to the movies to see Birds of Prey when I told you no. That's it. You're grounded for 999 weeks. Go to your room right now.